Hello guys, here you have the VG27B, and here you have the different visual or gaming mode like scenery, racing, cinema, etc. that will give a different look to the game. Here we have blue filter from 0 to 4 level to how much blue filter you want on the monitor. Here you have color where you can change your brightness, contrast, the usual stuff. Over here on image we can even overclock this. Setting this on to on will make you able to have your monitor on 165 Hz. But note that you have to use a DisplayPort. If you're using HDMI, it's only going to be on 144. And you also have adaptive sync and ELMB sync. I'm using both on because ELMB sync will make the motion blur, make it more clearer when you're moving fast paced. And you have sound, input, you have 2 HDMI port and 1 display port. Here you have different system setup that you can go through, and you have my favorite where you can save your different settings. Also what we have is shortcuts on the side here. Let me see if I can find the right one. Yeah, here you can even also add a crosshair on your screen and even add a timer, FPS counter, display alignment, and sniper practice mode. So yeah, this screen has different kind of features that you can have on, that you can do. I'm going to show you guys now a video of the different hertz on display, how it look like, and you will also notice when I show you a gameplay footage when moving fast back and forth that you will get screen tearing on 60 Hz, while on higher hertz you won't get any. So yeah.